You're watching How Leap. Let's turn on call recording on iPhone. Important laws on recording calls vary by location, so always get consent. The iPhone does not have a built-in call recorder. You must use a third-party app or a workaround. Download a call recording app like the Pickle or Rev Call Recorder from the App Store. Open the app and follow its setup, which usually involves making a conference call. Alternatively, use the screen recording method. First, add screen recording to Control Center in Settings. Then, on a call, put it on speaker, open Control Center, long press the record button, turn the microphone on, and start recording. The recording will capture both sides of the call and save to your photos. There is no native iPhone setting to automatically record all calls due to privacy and legal restrictions. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.